starting from festivities from say March, when the actual lockdowns in a lot of countries started, we have attended so many things virtually. I never thought that as an Indian ever that I'll attend a wedding virtually. But we've done everything. I've done my friend's 40th birthday party. I've attended another friend's wedding. I've attended so many kiddie birthday parties on Zoom. And I'm sure that the December 2020 spirits are not going to dampen down. I mean, hell, it's the last month of this godforsaken of a year. And we're going to, I'm sure, do celebrations in our own way. Hi, this is Jainee Gandhi. I'm an image consultant, a style coach, and a sustainable style advocate. On this channel, we talk about relatable, wearable fashion hacks, something that you can use irrespective of your age, size, color. I have been an image consultant and personal shopper for 10 years. So everything that I share on this channel and in my videos are not just experienced by me, but something that I've worked with my clients, and I know that these are sure short hacks and formulas that work for everyone. So without much further ado, let's begin. The first styling trick, which is absolutely easy to recreate from your own wardrobe, is take an A-line or a straight fit skirt and pair it up with a black top. I have this green velvety feel skirt, and because red, green and white are quintessential Christmas colors, anything in these three colors, add a black to it and you're automatically transitionally ready for Christmas. This whole outfit that I'm wearing right now with the skirt and black top, I have worn this outfit even for my casual days, for movie nights, or even just going to friend. What different I have done today is added my red lipstick and this heavy necklace. The necklace is a game changer in this whole outfit. Investing in heavy necklaces like this makes sure that you don't have to keep on buying outfits for different occasions. These necklaces paired differently are game changers to style your pieces. If you look at this skirt and top and the necklace, it gives you a great piece for your Christmas nights. Now, if you don't want to wear a sleeveless top and you want to wear something which is more modest, then you can also pick up your black shirt. I have this black shirt which is high-low in style. Now with the black shirt, I'll say ditch your black formal pants and ditch your denims. Black formal pants creating a whole black on black look is a very expected look, and denims per se are not your evening or night out things. Denims are more to do with your casual days. And because we are talking about festive styling, I want you to ditch your denims and instead wear a printed skirt or a printed trouser. Just by switching your denim or your black formal pant to a printed pant or a printed skirt is a game changer to your black. Similarly to what I have done right now is wearing this black top and a skirt, adding a heavy necklace. Similarly, switching your jeans and adding a colored pant or a colored skirt to the whole outfit will make that whole same casual or a formal piece to a dinner appropriate piece. The next styling tip is with a shimmery top. You can replace this shimmery top with any soft silky blouse on that you have, but I have this shimmery top which is almost 12 years old. I just have this one shimmery top, no glitter, no sequin, and every time for a 31st party or a Christmas party, this definitely comes to play. But every time I wear this shimmery top in a different way. Today I've paired this shimmery top with a velvety green skirt. Again, keeping the red, green and white in mind, I've utilized a green skirt today. And with this shimmery top, I can either wear the golden earrings that I'm wearing, or I can pair it up with a necklace. The choice is yours. The next styling idea is utilizing a dress from your wardrobe. Now, red, white and green are Christmas colors, and these colors supersedes the fabric. So now my dress is a cotton red dress, but because it's a Christmassy red color, I can utilize this dress for my Christmas dinner. Also, for Zoom parties, when only portrait area is visible, I would want to deck up my lips and my hair rather than concentrating on a very glittery, shimmery dress. So I've taken my summer cotton dress, added the golden hairband and the golden hoops with my signature red lips. Red lips are an essential for Christmas. If you have never worn a red lipstick, then can I say, please do me a favor, go and buy one red lipstick. That's going to be game changer for your makeup. How can you talk about Christmas styling and not include white? The next tip is pick up a white top from your wardrobe. All of us should have two whites compulsory in our wardrobe. One is a casual white and one is a blouse on or a formal white. My white is an in-between casual and formal, so I'm going to spice it up for Christmas dinners, or I can also wear this for a casual Christmas party at a friend's house. I have taken my animal print jogger style pants with the crop top, and to make it festive added my coin necklace and again my statement red lips. Adding my statement red lips shouldn't be a part of styling anymore because I will be wearing red lips everywhere. Although the pants are casual in nature and the top is not a huge statement sleeve, but the top gives enough fun to the whole outfit. You can wear this whole outfit at a friend's house, or you can wear this whole outfit even for your Christmas dinners. Switch the coin necklace with any statement necklace that you have in gold or silver or even with a cloth fabric, and it will still look great. The next outfit idea is using the green pants or green shorts. Depending on what your modesty level and comfort level is, you can utilize the piece. I have paired my green shorts with this multicolored top and silver shoes. And in another case, I have paired my green shorts with this simple yellow blouse on, added golden big earrings to add some drama, and red lips to finish the look. The whole idea for Christmas or any festive dressing is to add a pop of color, and green is definitely symbolic to Christmas. So those were some useful styling ideas that you can utilize from your own wardrobe. This video was slightly experimental and I hope you enjoyed this format of video. The whole idea is that for any occasion, for any event, we don't have to go running to stores to buy things. We can absolutely utilize our own wardrobe, pick up our own pieces and style them. If you have liked what you've seen so far, please like, share and subscribe. I am a new YouTuber and every single subscribe and a comment counts. If you have any queries on what to do with your current wardrobe, feel free to write and I'll definitely answer.